Most high performers are not defeated by their competitors. They are defeated by the internal resistance they refuse to acknowledge. You reach a certain level of success, then suddenly your systems collapse, your focus wanders, and you start making erratic, destructive decisions. This is not bad luck. This is success threshold sabotage. Today, we install the Self-Sabotage Cure to identify your internal glass ceiling and break it once and for all. The constraint is identity incongruence. Your subconscious has a preset comfort zone for how much success, responsibility, or visibility you can handle. When you exceed this set point, your brain perceives your own growth as a threat to your identity and initiates a reset protocol, anxiety, procrastination, or burnout, to force you back to your baseline. To fix this, you must implement identity recalibration. You must consciously write the new rules of your identity, defining exactly who you are at this new level of operation. Next, execute the sabotage audit. When you feel that familiar itch to quit, to distract yourself, or to overcomplicate a simple process, stop. Label it. Identify that sensation as identity defense, not legitimate exhaustion. By labeling the sabotage, you strip it of its power. It becomes an object you can observe and neutralize rather than an emotion you must obey. Finally, practice incremental integration. Do not leap into a new level of success and expect your subconscious to handle it. Expand your capacity slowly. Accept the discomfort of growth as a positive data signal. Every time you push through the sabotage threshold without retreating, you are rewriting your baseline. You are literally coding a higher capacity for success into your own brain. Stop killing your own potential. Recognize the sabotage, neutralize the defense mechanism, and relentlessly expand your threshold for greatness. When you own your own psychology, you become immune to your own internal friction. If you want to move from accidental consumption to architected growth, subscribe and join the 1% who engineer their time. Lead with value, not busywork. This is your protocol for total cognitive control.